Good day, everyone. Welcome to this video. So today I'm here to talk to you about your mitochondria function, about a supplement that's called Mitolyn. And Mitolyn has been helping so many people deal with their mitochondria, restoring its health and also promoting themselves with massive weight loss. So I know that people find it so difficult to lose weight, and it truly is a difficult task. Like, we love to eat. It's easy to put on weight, but the minute we decide we need to get rid of that body fat, it's extremely hard. Hence, Mitolyn is here, and it's here to bring you so many great benefits, and it's healthy and it's natural. So I want to clear up the air today by answering questions, getting rid of your doubts, and hopefully by the end of this video, you're gonna already made up your minds about whether or not this is the right supplement for you. So on that note, I will be leaving Mitolyn's official webpage in the description box of this video. If you would like to purchase it, you can go directly there, guys. On the official webpage, a little quick note: you make a safe purchase, okay? All your infos are kept safe. Also, there's a money back guarantee there waiting for you. So if you end up purchasing Mitolyn, but it turns out it's not what you were expecting, you just request a refund there, okay? Anywho, Mitolyn is here, and it holds this blend of 6 dietary ingredients that are phenomenal. They all help you to boost your mitochondria function. I mean, have you ever thought about it? Your mitochondria, which is this tiny enzyme in your cells, is responsible for all your weight. And your mitochondria function levels need to be really high in order for it to be working. But if you have realized that, okay, your body's actually putting on weight, it's not melting anything off, it's because your mitochondria is really low. So the cool thing is that your mitochondria, it helps you to fuel up your bodies, it helps you to get all of this energy coming back, and it helps you to burn off stored fats, And you get the picture. If it's not working, your body's just storing fats, guys. So the cool thing is that it contains maqui berry, okay, this formula. It contains theobroma cacao, there is astaxanthin, there is chisandra, there is amla, there is also rhodiola rosea. All of these ingredients are natural, and they are like antioxidants and anti-inflammatories, but all of them help you to boost your mitochondria function, okay? And weight loss has never been easier. It's never been more natural and more safer. And because of Mitolyn today, lots of people are experiencing weight loss. Lots of people are feeling happy once again with their bodies. So if you are not in a happy place right now and you would like to see changes in your bodies, I recommend you give Mitolyn a shot, because I know you're not going to regret it, okay? So pop over to their link right now to learn more. And remember, if you purchase Mitolyn, but it turns out to be something you're not expecting, you didn't like it, there's a 90-day money-back guarantee waiting for you on their official webpage. So think about that. For now, that's it. Beautiful people, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.